Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a character talk with text-to-speech. So first we go to this option, add extension, and you see there are millions of options here. I mean, not millions, but 5 to 6 options. I've never counted them. You can use them whenever you want. You can test them. I've never tested any of these before, except music, pen, and these two. 4 of them. So yeah, today we're going to need text-to-speech. We're good? So I'll just click this and
Hello.
hello. Okay, I think the language is set to something other. I don't know actually. I'll just click this once.
Hello.
Yeah, that sounds normal. Then we'll drag this when green flag clicked block. We always need to drag this block at the beginning of any project because we need to start the project by clicking this green flag. If you're in this setup and your program is really small, like in one line program, you don't need this. You could just click the program itself and it will start to work. But if you don't have a setup like this and you're in a full screen like this showing to many people, you have no option but to click this to start. So yeah, we're going to drag this here. Then we're going to go to text-to-speech and
Hello. Hello.
okay, that worked great. We're gonna change this to something else. You can do anything I want. I'll be like, hello, how are you?
Hello. How are you?
And you can also change this voice. This alto, you can change the tenor. I'll just click this once to change it.
Hello, how are you?
I've never tested Squeak, Jan, or Kitten. I've just tested these two. Let's see how they are.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, that was great, okay. Let's see Giant.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, that sounded nothing like a giant, but yeah, it was good. Let's see Kitten.
Meow, 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 meow.
that was the that was the best. Okay, I'm gonna set this to alto, the most normal voice, and we're gonna try this language too. If I set to Hindi, will it translate to Hindi? I don't know actually. I never tested this before. I'm testing this with you for the first time. Let's see.
Hello. How are you?
No, it just turns it into an Indian accent. I'll see Russian.
Hello. Who are you?
Okay, that was even great. I'll see Spanish Latin American.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, that sounds pretty normal. Let's see Arabic. I'll just reduce the voice the sound a bit. It's literally hurting my ears.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, that's great too. But anyways, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's all for today. If you did not like it, don't forget to hit the dislike button too. And yeah, comment below. Comment in the discussion section which program do you want next. I'll be always glad to help. Anyways, see you next time.